everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative, showing you what is in the card making kit for May. It's called Moody Blues and it is really beautiful. Let me show you what's in the kit first and then I will take you through the cards. So in the kit we have got some of our navy rhinestones, some white organza ribbon, our Moody Blues creative cuts, one of our little mini cut apart sheets, Moody Blues mini collection pack, which is 6x6, some of our cards and envelopes, and we have got this, which is an idea sheet, which has got 6 cards on there for you to create. And on the back, I've just shown you how this one folds out because they are the exact same size. So this card here, for example, which is my original, is the exact same size as this. So if you were to measure from here to here on the blue, on your piece of paper, that is exact same size as on here. So you just need to measure that up and you can create these cards exactly the same. Let me show you the cards very quickly. This one here is really great for any cards to have in your stash. You can change it up. So I've used May Your Dreams Come True. You could simply put a happy birthday on there or congratulations, whatever you like. This one, a little spread your wings, birthday wishes. How sweet is it to be loved by you? Now this is the one which I created. See how I have just cut that out? So the middle piece here I've cut out and then I've put it long ways on there just to create something a little bit different and fun. And lucky last on your birthday. So card making kits are just $27 and they are shipping from the 5th of May. Thanks guys, till next time, bye.